So good morning students, my name is Krishna and today we are going to discuss about polynomials for class 10th. So what are the topics to be discussed? I am going to write down this. So first we discuss about polynomials. Polynomials, degree of polynomials. Types of polynomials. Value of polynomials and zero of polynomial. Examples. So in this class we will learn about polynomials and what is the degree of polynomials and what are the types of polynomials, values of polynomials and zeros of polynomials. So we will start from polynomials. So what is the polynomial? Polynomial basically is a algebraic expression with two conditions. Algebraic expression is a general term. It is a combination of constant and variables with some mathematical operator. But in case of polynomial, there are two conditions to be applied. First is that the power of variable should be a whole number and the terms that are separated by mathematical operators are only used plus and minus. So first we will understand polynomial. So it is a algebraic expression with two conditions. First is should be number. Connected by so any algebraic expression in which the terms used connected with only plus or minus, not multiplication or division, and power of variable should be whole number. So first we should understand what is the algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variables. Constant are the fixed value that doesn't change with the situation or with the question, and variable can have many values according to the question. So algebraic expression basically expression, and in algebraic expression the mathematical operators can be plus, minus, multiplication and division. So all of this or some of them can be used in algebraic expression, but in polynomial only plus and minus are used to connect the terms. So एग्जाम्पल से हम समझेंगे इसको. So इस एग्जाम्पल से समझेंगे. सपोज दिस इज algebraic expression 3x square plus 5x plus 9 divided by 4x. So in this expression the terms are 3x square, 5x, 9 and 4x. These are the terms. So because these are terms connected by plus, minus and division, but in case of polynomials we use only plus and minus. So we cannot say this is a polynomial. This is a algebraic expression but not polynomial. because division also used, but in case of polynomial we use only plus and minus. So, here we are taking these two examples. In this example, the operator that are used to connect these terms plus, minus and division. So, this is not polynomial because this operator division also used in this case, and in this case, so in this case we have only used plus operator, and power of variable is 2 and 1, that is whole number. A set of whole number contains W the set of number contains from all the numbers from 0 to infinite. So, in this case the number we have used in power of variable is 2 and 1, that is whole number. So, first condition is satisfied, and in the second condition terms are connected by plus or minus only. So, we have used only plus, so that also satisfies. So, we can say this is polynomial, but if we add division also between the terms, suppose we written here 3x. So, we have used 3x division also between 3x and upper part of this expression. So, this will not be polynomial. This is, we can say this is algebraic expression, but not polynomial. All the polynomials are algebraic expression, but not all the algebraic expression are polynomial. And if we write here x to the power minus 1, that then this first condition will not be satisfied, because minus 1 is not coming in the set of whole numbers. So, this will not be polynomial again, because first condition is not satisfied. So, we can clearly understand that polynomial should satisfy these two conditions. So, this is the polynomial. So, next we will discuss degree of polynomials. Degree of polynomial. So, what is the degree? It is the maximum power of variable in any terms of the polynomial. So, any polynomial can be in one variable and two variable and more than two variable also. So, in case of more than one variable, the degree will be summation of all the powers of variables. For example, so in first example, this is the polynomial in one variable only x. So, in this first example, this is polynomial in one variable only, that is x. So, here in this term the power of x is 2, or in this term power of x is 1, and this term power of x is 0. So, maximum power is 2 in this term only. So, we can say the degree of this polynomial is 2. In second example, we have two variables x and y. So, in this case we will add up all the powers of variable that are used in one term. So, in this term these two powers 2 plus 2 4, 1 plus 1 equal to 2, and this is 1 only. So, here maximum power we will get, this is 4. So, here degree will be 4 of this polynomial. So, this is called degree of polynomial. It is just maximum power or summation of power for more than one variable in a polynomial. So, next here is types of polynomials. So, we will discuss this types of polynomial. If the constant and variables used in a polynomial is a real number, then it is called real polynomial. If the constant and variable used in any polynomial is a complex number, then we can say it is complex polynomial. So, on the basis of their nature of constant and variable, we can see this is real and complex polynomial, but in our syllabus only real polynomial are there. So, we will discuss for real polynomial only. And on the basis of term, polynomial can be monomial, so types of polynomial. So, on the basis of terms, on the basis of number of terms used in a polynomial, we can define it monomial, binomial, trinomial. If there is only one term, we can say it as monomial. Suppose this is 3x, px is equal to 3x, then it is monomial. If it is 3x plus 2, it is binomial. If it is 3x square, 3x plus 3y plus z, then we can say trinomial. So, on the basis of number of terms, terms are the combination of constant and variable separated by plus and minus. So, in this example only one term is there, so we can say it is monomial. If two terms are, this is binomial. If three terms are used, then we can say it is trinomial. So, there are many types according to the number of terms. On the basis of degree of polynomial, we can say polynomial is zero polynomial, constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial. So, first is zero polynomial. In case of zero polynomial, we cannot define the degree of polynomial, because suppose this is a polynomial px equal to 0. So, if we equated 0, because polynomial is 0, so we can write it 0 into x to power n, and n may have any value. So, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever, it may have many values. So, we cannot define a constant term, because n can have many values. So, we cannot defined its a fixed value. So its degree is not fixed, so we say that its degree is not defined. But in case of constant polynomial, polynomial has a constant value, suppose it is 5. So we can write it 5 into x power naught. So in this case the power of x is 0, so we can say the degree of constant polynomial is 0. So this is constant polynomial. Again next comes linear polynomial. So in case of linear polynomial, this is the general expression ax plus b. So here the power of x is 1 only. So the degree of polynomial will be 1. In quadratic polynomial, this is a general example. So here maximum power is 2, so degree is 2. In the same way here is 3, and by quadratic also it will be 4. So this is in our syllabus we mostly discuss about linear, quadratic and cubic. These are the 3 polynomial to be discussed in our syllabus for 10th class. Okay, any doubt? So after types of polynomial, next is value of polynomials. So what is the value of polynomial? Value of polynomial. Start. Suppose px is any polynomial 3x square plus 5x minus 2. Suppose this is a polynomial. So the value of polynomial will be obtained. This polynomial may have many values. It depends on the value of variable. This is polynomial. It is depend on variable x. So if we take x equal to 2, then this polynomial will be so if we put x equal to 2, then the value of polynomial will be 20. So we can say that the value of polynomial is 20 for variable x equal to 2. So it may have many values, depends upon the value of variable. So next comes zero polynomial. This is very important topic. Mostly all the question comes from this topic only. All the numericals comes from this topic only. We will discuss zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. It is basically the value of variable for which the polynomials becomes 0. So this is called zero polynomial. For example, suppose px is a polynomial equal to 3x plus 2. So this is a polynomial. If we want to evaluate the 0 of this polynomial, so we put it equal to 0. So 3x plus 2 equal to 0, and by solving this it comes minus 2 by 3. So this is the value of x, minus 2 by 3 is the 0 of this polynomial px. So this is the algebraic meaning of polynomial, and next is geometrical meaning. In geometrically we discuss on Cartesian plane. If this is y axis, y by dash. So at which point this graph of polynomial x plus b cuts the x axis, that is called the zero polynomial. It is quadratic. If it is quadratic polynomial, then it will cut the x axis at 2 points, because the degree of x is 2. So there will be 2 solution or 2 zeros of the zeros. We also call it roots of polynomials. So basically it is the same meaning. We can say it zeros, roots or solution.